Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. I'm out here enjoying this beautiful wilderness at the Green Swamp. It's located in central Florida. It's a vast area, covers 4 counties. So there's many areas to roam and explore out here. A lot of interesting sights to experience. And today I'm hiking towards this area where some mining operations used to be. There's a lot of mining history here in the Green Swamp. And there's an old quarry out here. It's a really beautiful area today where they were digging at the mine. There's a huge pit there, and today that's all filled in with water. That's the quarry. So we are going to hike to that section, take a look around and see if we can discover some ruins just up ahead there, getting close to the site where the old mine used to be. You can see an overgrown path here. This was one of the roads that was used during the days of the mining operations. I'm going to follow this up and get a closer look at these ruins. Not much is left here, but there are some traces from the past. See, there's a foundation there, and this section right here is elevated up, so, and it looks like it connected over to that side. So there was more to this structure at one time. It drops off right here. And it's covered up just across the way. There's another foundation over there. There should be another foundation over here. Try and get closer in here. A lot of thorns and brush to navigate through, but I want to get over to this area so I can show you this foundation. Yeah, there's some thorns right there. I'm stuck in them. So what I'm going to do, instead of just plowing through this, which sometimes I will do, try to be a little bit smarter, go around the thorns, yeah, so I can get to it just by going through here. You gotta watch out for snakes in these areas as well. And I am very cautious. I'm definitely looking around. There's a big thorn bush right in front of this foundation, so, and these things hurt. Right here. I have a smaller one here that's attached to my leg. So it's going to squeeze in. You can see through this brush, there's a foundation up there close to the quarry. It's just over there. Along the way, seeing some more traces from the past. Looks like some rails there. Into the mine area here, and you can see some modern machinery up here. So forestry still utilizes this area. You see some rocks piled up. And then over there, we'll get a closer view, but in the distance is the quarry. So over in this area at the mine, there's a lot of this old scrap. Big pieces out here, and actually some of it's been removed. I've been out here before and there was a lot more debris out in this area. But we can take a look at some of what's left. And look at that one over there. Really big piece of iron. And a lot of this metal here is just all twisted up. So I'm gonna hike over towards the quarry now. Some really nice views there. And just behind us is where all that old scrap is. And I know some of it's still there, but it's a shame that some of the old metal there is gone. On my last visit, there was more there. And I know what you're thinking, you know, just junk. But to me, it's a piece of the history at this mine. And seeing stuff like that disappear, it just takes away from the history. I'm thankful I was able to get some of that on video before and some photos of what was there, and there's still some stuff there to see, but as you can see, it's starting to disappear. All this actually right here is all dug up and fairly new. So you can see this area is being used. Yeah, all this right here. All that right behind me. That wasn't dug up before. I was here about a year or so ago. It's another interesting thing when you come out to these areas and exploring. You come back and visit from time and time again, you see how things change. Following this road now over to the quarry. It's a very popular area for fishing, actually. Sometimes when you come out here, you'll see people fishing at the quarry. I don't think there's anybody out here today. Very peaceful. Beautiful day to be out here too. This area is really nice because you can get some views of this quarry. It's really beautiful out here. And it's actually much higher than I've seen it on previous visits. We've had a lot of rain. And the water levels are higher right here. I used to be able to walk down a little bit further. Great views. So you can see this is a pretty big quarry. All the way over there. From here, this road takes us deeper into the green swamp. Follow this into the wilderness. It's a really nice bridge here, crosses over the Withlacoochee River. I like the views out here, and oftentimes you'll see some wildlife in these areas right here. I see a lot of alligators when I come through here. Different kinds of birds and owls. It's a really beautiful place. And the water levels are way up right now. see an old cypress stump right there. And there's a lot of old cypress trees along this river that were cut down during the logging era. And you can still find some out there.